Welcome, Aces, back to our next music lesson. I'm so excited to see you again after a little break here. So, today we are going to remember some of the songs and the rhymes that we've already learned, do some more with those, and we're going to learn a new rhyme as well that has some hand motions to it. So, here we go. So we have our Frog in the Meadow song, and I'm going to sing it, but after I sing it, it's your job to sing it. So you can pause the video when I'm done and sing it on your own. See if you can make your voice sound like mine and make it a singing voice, right? A little higher and a little lighter, okay? Ready? Frog in the meadow, can't get him out. Take a little stick and stir him about. All right, now it's your turn. Can you pause and sing that song? Maybe twice, maybe three times. All right, nice job, class. So we're going to do a new thing with it. Let's see if I can get this to work. We're going to do pat. Let's see here. I'm going to back up a little further. We're going to pat our legs and we're going to clap and we're going to make a pattern. We're going to make a pattern off that and it's just going to go back and forth. Pat, clap, pat, clap, pat, clap, pat, clap. And our job is to clap while we sing that song. Frog in the Frog in the meadow, can't get him out. Take a little stick and stir him about. Try it with me. Try your hands with me. Ready, go. Frog in the meadow, can't get him out. Take a little stick and stir him about. Nice. All right. This time, try singing and doing your hands. If you already were, great. But if you haven't yet, sing and do the pattern this time. Ready? We'll do 4 of them first. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Frog in the meadow, can't get him out. Take a little stick and stir him about. Nice. We're going to try one more pattern. It's almost the same. See if you can tell what's different. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Did you get it? Did you see the pattern? How many pats were there? How many pats on our legs? 3 in a row. So we did pat, 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 clap. Ready? Try it with me. Pat, 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 clap, pat, 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 clap, pat, 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 clap. All right, now we're going to try the Frog in the Meadow song with that pattern. Ready? If you want to just do your hands with me this time, great. If you want to try singing with me, that's fine too. Choose your own where you're at. Choose what you think you can do. Ready? Frog in the meadow, can't get him out. Take a little stick and stir him about. Once more, choose again. If you want to move up a level, great. If you think you can do it on your own, pause the video and try it on your own without Mr. Cervenka. Ready? Frog in, 1, 2, ready, go. Frog in the meadow, can't get him out. Take a little stick and stir him about. All right, so sometimes we might take those pat and clap patterns and move them to an instrument, a musical instrument. Hopefully, we can get really good at them. So, whenever we have a chance to get some musical instruments back in our hands, or maybe some instruments maybe you have around the house or whatever, some toys, something to make some patterns with. We're going to try those in another week, but we got to practice those patterns first. So, thank you. Ooh, our next one is, and we were using our singing voice when we did Frog in the Meadow, right? Good. Ooh, our next one's called Two Little Blackbirds. And some of you might remember this, and some of you it might be new for. And all we're going to do is we're going to have our thumbs up like this. We're going to have them bouncing on our knees. Ready? And all you have to do is listen this time. Okay? All you have to do is listen. Ready? Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. All the way back home. All right. Thanks. Let's try this again. Ready? We start with our hands bouncing on our knees, and then we say, one named Jack and one named Jill. Let's do the beginning. And you can just listen and try your hands with me. Ready? Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack and one named Jill. Next, we're going to take each one and put it behind our back. So we're going to do Jack first. Ready? Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Now they come back. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. And then we go back to our knees. All the way back home. All right, one more time. Your job is just to try and do the hand motions with me. Okay, so watch and do those with me. Here we go. Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. All the way back home. All right. Nice job. Give yourselves a pat on the back. Woohoo! All right. Man, now we're going to remember our engine number 9. And I have a question I want you to think about. If you remember, this one went like engine number 9, going down the railroad line. See it sparkle, see it shine. Engine number 9. Well, class, if we think about what speeds do trains travel at, maybe they travel at a medium speed, a fast speed, and a slow speed. Sometimes when they're just getting moving or slowing down to stop, they go slow. Sometimes if they're going around a curve or up a hill, they might go slow. If they're just traveling down the track, maybe medium. If it's a really straight part, maybe they even go fast. And different trains can go different speeds as well. So class, what we're going to do today is we're going to try that engine number 9 rhyme, but we're going to try it at different speeds. So stand up if you can and find a little space so you can still hear and see the video. Turn to the side. See if you can do the chugga, 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 chugga. Can you do that? Ready, go. Chugga, 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 chugga. Ooh, good. Now let's see if we can do that while we say engine number 9. Ready? Engine number 9, going down the railroad line. See it sparkle, see it shine. Engine number 9. You can pause the video if you need to practice that. Ooh. That was kind of like a medium speed. Should we try it at a slow speed? Let's try slow. Ready? We're going to go chugga, 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 chugga. Ready, go. Engine number 9, going down the railroad line. See it sparkle, see it shine. Engine number 9. What speed was that again? Slow. Well, just like trains can go medium and slow and fast, music can go medium and slow and fast too. And so that's what we're practicing when we practice these different speeds. And musicians use a different word for speeds. They call it tempo. Can you say tempo? Tempo. Yeah. That's how musicians talk about what speed the music goes at. All right, we got one more speed to practice. That's fast. Oh, here we go. Let's see if we can try our chugga, 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 chugga. Can you go at that speed? Let's try our rhyme. It's going to go kind of fast. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Engine, engine number 9, going down the railroad line. See it sparkle, see it shine. Engine, engine number 9. How'd it go? Maybe if you get that rhyme stuck in your head, you can practice those speeds when you're walking around your house with a chugga, 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 chugga. And you could even practice saying engine, engine number 9 and try it at that speed. Or engine, engine number 9. And just get used to how it feels to go slow and fast. Fast tempos, slow tempos. All right. Class, you are doing very, very well. And our next thing is, and this is our last thing for this lesson, we're going to check out something online called Chrome Music Lab. Chrome Music Lab. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to pop over to the seesaw activity. So hopefully your seesaw activity is going to look a little different. There probably is a picture over here. But number 2 is going to say click this link right here, musiclab.chrome experiments. And we are going to click on that. And it brings us to something called Chrome Music Lab. And this is kind of a cool thing. It has like 13 or 14 different experiments for you to check out. And you get to just explore any of them that you like. I'm going to show you just maybe 2 of them right now. And some of you have seen this before, so you can check out ones you've already known or ones that are new to you. But let's check out this rhythm one, the one with the monkey picture kind of at the front. If I just press this play button, well, then it's just playing one drum. What happens if I make a pattern like this? Now I press play. It's going a little bit weird speed right now. But the point is, each of these rows of dots is a different instrument. So if I click on these dots, it means it's going to make the sound at that time. So let's hear this one. I'm not sure why it's not going at a steady speed right now, but it's not. Let's try one more, and if it doesn't work, you try it and see if you can get it to go at a steady speed. I'm going to click on this arrow over here. Ooh, this is one of my favorites. This one has different instruments. I like this one a lot. Ooh, so it's got to start there for us. What if we did? Notice I'm not putting a lot of them in at the same time. I'm not doing all of these at the same time, because then it doesn't really sound very much like a pattern. It doesn't really sound very musical all the time. So it's not like you can't do it, but try to make a pattern somehow without having all of them clicked on. Let's try this one. So again, class, it's not working very smoothly for me. My computer's loading a little slow, but see if you can try it and see if it's working for you. See what kinds of patterns you can make and what kind of sounds you can do with the rhythm. I'm going to show you one more and then we'll be done for today. All right, class. So this one right down here, so here's the rhythm one, and here's the one right underneath it. It's called Kandinsky. And this one allows you to draw lines and shapes, and then press play and it turns it into sound. Now, it's not letting me actually draw while I do this, but I am going to show you one that I did before. You can see I have some lines, some curved lines, some triangles here, and some circles and squares. And when I press play, it sounds like this. So you can draw anything you'd like. You can draw letters, you can draw shapes, or just lines and make a design. Squiggles, curvy lines, straight lines, whatever you want. And then press play and make it and see what it sounds like. The other thing you can do is click on these colors and change the color, and then it changes the instruments and the sound. And last one. So when I am recording my screen, it doesn't play at a very steady speed, but when I don't have my screen recording, then it plays pretty much steady. So hopefully when you do it, yours just goes at a normal steady speed. Now, what I would like you to do is explore that for just a few minutes. It might be up to you. Maybe you explore it for 5 minutes and you try 2 of those things. You could try any of them that are there. Or maybe you explore it for a little longer if you have more time, maybe 10 or 15 minutes. It's up to you and your family and wherever you are if you have more time. But once you do that, come back to Seesaw and click Add Response and click on the microphone and tell me what observations you made. I want you to think of it like you're making observations, like you're scientists. What are some things that you noticed? What senses did you use? Which of your 5 senses did you use when you were doing those? And those kinds of things. And then tell me which one is your favorite. Okay, so tell me what observations you made, which senses you used, and what was your favorite 1 or 2 that you explored from Chrome Music Lab. All right, class, thank you so much. I can't wait to see you again next week, and I hope you have a really good week. Bye.